Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a product that is great for natural nipple healing and for damage prevention as well. And it's going to help you avoid any of those sticky, messy creams or oils that you might otherwise use on your nipples. So if you haven't heard of this product yet, it is called Silverette's Silver Nipple Cups. They're really amazing. This video is not sponsored, but I do often recommend these products to clients. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you can learn all about the properties of these cups and how to use them and how to care for them. If you're new to the channel, my name is Kassi Reyes. I am a registered nurse and a board certified lactation consultant and also co-founder of People's Lactation. If you're interested in getting updates on more lactation-based videos, please subscribe down below and hit the bell so you're notified each week when I post a new video. So let's go ahead and open these up and see what's inside. Okay. You can see that these are what the nipple cups look like. These actually come in two sizes. These ones are the extra large. They are made of 100% silver, 925 silver. These are actually handmade in Italy by silversmiths, and they are pure and also nickel free, which can be really important for parents who may have a nickel allergy or sensitivity. So they're also super lightweight and can be worn right under your bra. I actually have frequently recommended these to clients for nipple healing. The silver properties in them have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties. So they're really great for nipple healing, and they can also prevent damage. So it's normal in the beginning of lactation to have some soreness, and these can help kind of prevent further breakdown. If you do have nipple damage, cracking, bleeding, blisters, these can help speed up the healing process for you. However, it is important to remember that if you're experiencing that kind of damage, it is definitely worth working with a lactation consultant to try to help you figure out what's going on with your latch and try to optimize feeding so that you prolong your lactation journey and to help prevent further damage and any impact on your milk supply or on the amount of milk that baby is transferring. So if you're experiencing damage, these can be really helpful for healing damage, but I would also recommend getting some professional help to help figure out the root cause of the problem. If anyone is interested in booking a virtual visit, I will leave a link for that down below. We at People's Lactation do virtual visits and would be happy to work with you. So as I mentioned, these ones that I have here are the extra large. The Silverettes do come in two sizes, regular and extra large. The regular size is recommended for people with cup sizes, bra cup sizes of C or less, and an areola size of 1.8 inches or less. Whereas the extra large is recommended for people with a bra cup size larger than C and an areola size of 1.8 inches or more in diameter. The price difference is right around $10, so it is a little bit more expensive for the extra large. And I actually just ordered these for myself during first trimester of pregnancy because I was experiencing something surprising. Actually, I didn't know that this was a side effect of pregnancy, but there are so many side effects of pregnancy that we don't even, or symptoms of pregnancy that we don't even know about until we go through them ourselves. But one of the things that I experienced in first trimester, just really itchy and uncomfortable, skin around my areola. So I bought these and wore them under my bra to help kind of soothe what was going on there, and it really did help, and I'm looking forward to using these more during my lactation journey. So how do you use these little silver cups? They can be worn under your bra. Some people do like to use a nursing pad over the top of these just so that you don't see the dome shape sticking out of your clothing. The dome shape is designed this way so that it doesn't compress the nipple. So it's shaped like that on purpose. And what some people like to do is actually express a little bit of milk with some hand expression into the cup and then place it over the nipple, and that can help with the healing properties of colostrum as well as the healing properties of the silver to really speed up the healing of any nipple damage that you have going on. Another way that this can be helpful is just that if you have sore, tender nipples, it can be nice to have a bit of a barrier between your skin and your clothing. So this helps kind of hold that clothing away from any sensitive areas as well. Another use for these silver cups is that some parents choose to use them for cup feeding their baby in the beginning. So if you're able to hand express some colostrum into this, you can let baby lick the colostrum or transitional milk off of this. So this can be a great addition to your hospital bag as well. How do you clean these? In order to care for these, you just want to rinse off with some warm water between each use, rinse off any milk that's on there. And then since they are silver, if they start to become a little tarnished, you can make a paste from baking soda and water and just use that to kind of polish them up a little bit. And then rinse them off and keep on using. These are also really durable and can be reused from baby to baby. So if you know that you're going to have more kids down the road, hold on to them so you can reuse them for your next baby. And if you know that you're all done with lactation and you don't plan on having any more children, but you want to use these beautiful silver things for something else, Silverette also does have a recycling program, which you can sign up for at the time when you purchase them or later on, and you send these back when you're done with them to the company, and they will convert your silver cups into a little silver charm with your initial on it. And I'll put a image of this on the screen so that you guys can see what that looks like. So as a summary, these are pure silver, super lightweight, have lots of healing properties, and can also help prevent nipple damage, especially for sore, tender nipples in the beginning of lactation. They are lightweight, easy to clean, they can be worn right in your bra, and they have a great recycling program. So if this is something that you're interested in, definitely get yourself a pair. You can also make a great baby shower gift if you're trying to think of something to get for a friend or another parent that you know. Have any of you tried these yet, and what was your experience with them? Comment down below, share your thoughts and your experience with using these. Did they help with your nipple health, and did they help you continue your lactation journey? I'd love to hear from you down below. While you're down there, remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, that way you're going to be notified every week when I post a new lactation video. I'd love to have you join the community, and I look forward to seeing you soon. I'll talk to you later. See you soon.